Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll start by prepping gear. Put the watch on snugly, about 1 finger's width above the wrist bone, and tighten the band so it won't bounce. Turn on GPS and enable continuous heart rate if you want live training data. Once paired with your phone, open your running profile and choose GPS accuracy. Higher accuracy uses more battery, but tracks distance better. Make sure Do Not Disturb is set for uninterrupted data, and confirm the watch displays pace and lap time before heading. You begin the run by pressing start and letting the watch lock GPS. Wait until the signal is green to avoid distance errors. During the session, glance at pace and heart rate and use auto lap every 1 km or choice interval to monitor splits. Once done with a hard interval, press lap or let auto lap mark it and trust wrist pace for steady runs or use a foot pod for sprint work. Make sure audio cues are on so you get timely feedback without looking down. You finish by stopping and saving the activity, then sync to your phone so your run is backed up and analyzed. Review splits, elevation, cadence, and heart rate zones to understand effort and recovery. Add a short note about how you felt for future training decisions. If data looks off, distance too long, or pace jitter, try restarting GPS, toggling airplane mode briefly, or switching to phone GPS. Finally, charge the watch if battery is below 30%, so it's ready for your next run.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.